Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix payment method decline problem part 2. No one will try the method without watching the whole video. Open Play Store. Then search SocksDroid. Install this app. Open Apps. Here you need to enter your USA IP. Here you have to use the real IP of USA. You can buy IP from many websites. After set up the IP, click on the On button. Minimize this app. Click Settings. Click App Management. Click App List. Click Play Store. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Click Settings. Click User and Account. Click Google. Remove all email from your phone. After connecting the mail, click on Google. Then click Manage your Google account. Select Security. Then change the password for your Gmail account. Here, you enter the new password. Once the password has been changed, remove the email from your phone. Now, you can buy anything with this Gmail account after 24 hours. Thanks for watching.